Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to fully load jailbreak your Fire Stick for free movies, pay-per-views, TV shows, and everything else, okay? Very simple process. I'm going to guide you step by step how to do this and fully load your Fire Stick and always have access to the best store on your Fire Stick with the best apps, a special store that I catered just for my subscribers, my viewers, and the people that support what I do, okay? So make sure you're connected to the internet. Here I am connected. Also logged into your Amazon account that you created with your email. I'm logged in here because I have the screen and my recommendations and things like that. The first thing you have to do in your Fire Stick since the change from the last version of the Fire Stick, you have to go to the gear icon, followed by My Fire TV. Go in there, click on that. And as you can see, I have developer options. For those of you who might not have it, very simple. Click on About, and you'll see your device name here, okay? Make sure you check for updates and you install all the updates. Once you're done that, go to Fire Stick here. I'm using 4K Max. If you're using a different version, it'll just have a different name. And then just click on the device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need, you're already a developer. But if you're not a developer, it will tell you, now you are a developer. Now click back, and then you will see that you're a developer. Then it means you've done it correctly. After that, hit the home button. You're gonna go in here, go to the find icon, go to search, and you can use the Alexa remote or you can type it in. I like to use the Alexa remote and search for downloader. Downloader. Here we are, orange, white icon just like that, click on it. Once you do that, click on the download button. What's that going to do is going to download downloader application. Please don't open it yet. We have to do a couple of things before we open up the downloader application, okay? Once it installs, we'll get a notification here. It will install the downloader application, and it will be ready to proceed to the next steps, okay? Here we are. Okay, press home. Downloader is installed. Now, the next step we have to do, go to the settings, okay? Followed by My Fire TV, okay? Once there, remember, we turned on developer options. Go in here, developer options, install unknown apps, and make sure the downloader is turned on. I'm going to flick it on, okay? Once you do that, you press the home button on your Fire Stick, okay? Then you're going to go to find, go to search here, and in this search box, you'll search for IPVanish. So we're going to search for IPVanish. And I'll show you exactly what this does and why we need IPVanish to access the unlinked store, okay? IPVanish, type it in just like that and click on it. You'll be presented with the screen, green and white logo here. Click on that green and white logo and click on download. That's going to download the IPVanish VPN. Okay, I'm going to open it up and explain everything in detail what must be done, okay? Once it installs, you'll get an open button here, and you'll just simply click on your Fire Stick to open that up, okay? Give it a minute, okay? 94,000 reviews. It's a 4-star VPN, okay? You're going to be presented to log in with your own username and password, okay? Now, to get access to the unlinked application, internet service providers are now completely blocking access. To get all the updates in unlinked, to stay safe, to stay secure, get more links in the movie and TV show apps, and also get the geo-blocked sports and events in your area and everything else. Internet service providers are blocking these links, and with this you're going to be able to unlock them, and you're going to also have access to unlinked and all the apps and all the updates. The way you get the VPN, you can scan this barcode here, okay, with your phone. You can pause the video and take care of that. You'll be on a landing page, and from that landing page you'll sign up for your package. You can also go to these bit.ly links here, this bit.ly link here, and the comment also as well, and in the description as well, in the pinned comment. You'll find that there, you'll go to the landing page, you'll sign up for your package, okay? You'll get an email confirmation from IPVanish with your email that you signed up with, and then you'll be able to log in. It's a Starbucks coffee per month. That's how much it costs. A few dollars, unlimited devices, untethered access to unlinked, full access to unlinked updates, and full access to my store with all the updated applications, and complete access to geo-block content and free movies and TV shows, some links that you would not get without using a VPN. So I highly recommend to get signed up. You can pause the video. You can take care of that whichever way you feel is free, easier. So feel free to do that. So for some people, it's, they feel it's easier to just scan the barcode here with their phone and pause the video. Some people feel it's better just to go to that link, go on their computer, landing page, and you can use this on unlimited devices as you wish, okay? So pause the video, take care of this now, and I'm gonna log in with my own username and password while you get your own username and password. And once you get your own username and password, you'll log in just here, and then I'll show you the next steps, okay? Okay, once you log into your VPN, you'll see a screen like that. What you want to do is hit the gear icon here and connect on Android Startup. You want to flick that on. Okay, once you do that, click back, go to location icon right there. Click on that location icon, go to countries, and go all the way to the United States, okay, by scrolling all the way here. Once you're in the United States, click on United States, say favorite United States. It'll put a yellow star. And then you're going to click on United States again and say connect to United States. This will come up, press the OK button. And what's going to happen now, it's going to connect you to the United States server. Okay, now we can proceed getting the unlinked application. Press the home button. From here, you're going to go to My Apps and Games, just like that. And we're going to go into the downloader application right here. Click on downloader. Okay. It's going to open it up. Press OK. Click one up here and click into this field and put in unlinked dot link. Okay. Unlinked dot link. Just exactly like that. Okay. Let's put that in. Once you put in unlinked dot link in that box, you're going to press the go button. Okay. And what's going to happen is it's going to go to the unlinked website, okay? And here we are. So we're going to try to download it. We're going to get it here, download. And it's going to download the APK and it's going to try to install it, okay? Here we are, 3.9 megabytes. Okay, it's going to try to install it. We're going to press the install button here. And what we're going to do here, we're going to press the done button. Let's not open it up yet. We have to do one more thing. Let's press the done button and press the delete button here and press the delete button here. Okay. Press home. Okay. Go to your gear icon here. Go to My Fire TV and make sure Install Unknown Apps Downloader is on. Okay. If you're having issues downloading anything or in the downloader, make sure you always have Install Unknown Apps on. Now, see the unlinked now is there? We're going to turn it on as well. If you had an error in downloader in our previous step that we just done, when you went in here and you went in downloader and it didn't download because you didn't have the unknown option turned on, you can turn that option on, go back to downloader, go back to unlinked.link and try downloading it again. Also, it'll also be in your files after you download it if you haven't deleted it. See, I deleted it, it's not in my files. But if I go here and I go again to unlinked and I download it, it's a really small application. I'm just going to do it again. Just for those people that had some issues, I'd like to just kind of show them what happens. So if you got it completely good, don't worry about it. Press install and then press the done button, okay? And then I'll show you that I'm not going to delete it this time. I'm going to say done. And I'll show you that this would be here under files and then you can install it. But always make sure you go to the gear icon and go to My Device and followed by My Fire TV, My Device, and make sure the Install Unknown Apps is on. Make sure you turn this on for all other applications for them to function properly as you install them, okay? Okay, press the home button and now we're ready to proceed to the next step. My Apps and Games, okay? And open up the unlinked application. It's going to take you here. Once in here, click on New Library. This will be blinking like that. Click inside of here and put in Firestick lowercase. Okay, so everything lowercase, Firestick. Just like that, Firestick lowercase. And once you're done that, press the next button. Once you put Firestick, the store code, okay? So what's going to happen is it's going to take you into my store. Now, this screen is blurred out, but you can take a picture of it. If you're doing this at home on your Fire Stick device, you'll get the screen. Take a picture of it because every month I update the screen and it shows you which are the best apps, which ones you should be using. So this is the stuff you should be downloading and loading onto your Fire Stick device. This is going to give you the best content and the best streaming experience, okay? Once you take a picture or read this screen, on your Fire Stick at home, because it's blurred out on my screen, for YouTube purposes here, you're going to press the enter button once you do that. So I'm going to press the enter button and enter into my store. Once in the store, scroll up and down to go each section. I have a lot of sections. I've just updated for this month. New movies and TV shows, top movies and TV shows section. I'm in the Fire Stick Tools section because it's a presentation for presentation purposes. And what we are permitted to show here on YouTube, I can only show you these applications. But if you scroll up and down, you can get anything else that you'd like, and you can find those applications by scrolling up and down, left to right, and you can load those there, okay? So if you go down to, let's say, NewTech top 6 applications for free movies, you would scroll down to it, then you would go to the application you want, and then you would click on it. So I'm clicking on NewTech subscribe application, and this is just a little app that I put together. And what that will do, will download the application. And you do this for all the other applications like that. You press install app. This will pop up. You press install, and that's it. And pretty much it would be installed. And it would pop up and tell you that it's installed. That's how simple it is. If I wanted to get another application, you would just click on it, press the download button. Same process. It would download, and then it would press install app, and then you would press install. And then it would flicker and go back, notification, fully downloaded, fully loaded. Scroll up and down, left to right, you'll get all live TV, all movies, TV shows, and everything like that. Scroll up and down and choose your applications. I created top section for everybody, okay? The best stuff is here in my store. Full access, full updates, everything is here, okay? Press the home button, and I'll quickly show you here my apps and games. Okay, let's go there. And I'll show you that the VPN was running. I'm connected for 5 minutes, so I was doing all this while my VPN is on. So as long as your VPN is on, you can always go back to the unlinked store, get all the application, get all the updates. Make sure you always run a VPN for your safety and security. It's a cup of coffee a month, unlimited devices, keeps you protected, full access to unlinked, and access to geo-block content and content that might be blocked in your area, okay? So that's available here. If you haven't taken care of that, please do so. And that's going to help you with your streaming and keep you safe and protected, okay? So that's that with the IPVanish. And we fully loaded our Fire Stick. As you can see, we can go back in here and we can go back to Unlinked at any time and get more applications. Installed applications will show up below. But in any case, if something doesn't show up, I'll show you a little trick. You can go to Settings and you can go to Applications. And then you can go Manage Installed Applications. And from here, you can find them and launch them as well, okay? Pretty much, that's how it works, okay? So that's how it works, and that's how you jailbreak a Fire Stick fully loaded. So thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for being here. I'd like to ask you to comment below. So I might pin lock my store. People have been knocking off my content. If I do lock down my store, the people that are going to get the pin number is the people that answered in my comments. Just drop a comment. I don't want money. I don't want donations. I just want your comment telling me what's your favorite food, perhaps, where are you from, perhaps, what's your favorite sports team, or just hi. You know, the weather's 31 degrees today or whatever, Fahrenheit or Celsius, whatever you guys say. Some people say Celsius, some people say Fahrenheit. Canada's Celsius, US is Fahrenheit. Okay, so just drop a comment below. I would really, really appreciate it. And then when I pin lock my store, I will give you guys that code in the comments. I answer all comments. Let me know which apps you'd like to see in here, which apps don't work. Let me know which apps need updating. Just comment below. I'd highly, highly would appreciate it. Share the video, hit the like button, and that's pretty much it. Also, in my description, there's a link to my X account. Follow my X account. Follow my Facebook account. I would really appreciate that as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Hopefully this worked for you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.